Okay, so today is Saturday. It is my second to last day here. Trip has gone by very fast and I'm not ready for it to be over, but that's okay. We have a whole day today and majority of the day tomorrow. Today we are doing all 4 parks in one day. My friend Morgan's coming with me. I'm dragging her along with me. Disney had it to where you couldn't park hop until after 2. And in that way, it would be really hard to do all 4 parks in one day. Still possible, but pretty difficult. Now they have lifted that restriction and you can park hop all day throughout the day, which is what I've been doing a lot. So I'm really excited. Today we're gonna do all 4 parks in one day. Now the difference is, I feel like when I've done 4 parks in one day in the past, we would do like, I don't know, for some reason I feel like the time that I've done it, actually no, I've only done it one other time. I don't know, we were there all day. Like we were open, park open to park close. And I don't know how we did it, but that was 20s. Angela, she can't do that anymore. The goal is to do 1 attraction per park. And of course we'll eat whenever we get hungry. I really don't see it lasting all day. However, we do want to try to get a virtual queue for Guardians, and we're gonna have to do that at 1. So we may have to come back to the parks a little bit later, which is fine, because then we could just do dinner and then come back, because I'm gonna have to start packing and we have an early start for tomorrow. But anyway, 4 parks, 1 day. Let's do it. A little twist that we added to our challenge was to not only do all 4 parks in one day, but also take every form of Disney transportation. So here we're taking the Skyliner. We also took the monorail, as well as the boat that you'll see later on in the vlog. Like I said, we wanted to try to get in the queue for Guardians, so after we left Hollywood Studios, we popped over to Epcot so that we could join the queue for Guardians, and we also got a bite to eat. parks in one day challenge was finally complete. We had a great time and I look forward to doing it again in the future. Maybe adding in some more things to make the challenge difficult. But we had a great time and it was time to call it good night. We're checking out. This trip is going by. Actually, I don't want to say it went by fast, but it's been great. I had a great time. But we're gonna head to the parks. We're going to Animal Kingdom and Magic Kingdom to finish the day, and then head to the airport. So I'm bringing you guys along with me. So let's go spend one more day at Disney World and have a last magical day here. Outfit for the last day. I got some new socks. Let's go. The original plan was to end my trip at Magic Kingdom, but between the time it would have taken us to park at the Ticket and Transportation Center, get into the parks, and head out, we wouldn't have had much time to just hang out. So we just decided to go to Epcot, which is perfectly fine because it is my favorite park. And I got to meet Minnie and Mickey, and they were actually the only characters that I was able to meet during this trip. but glad I got to see them. All in all, this was an absolutely amazing trip, and I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have enjoyed the vlogs. I was able to end my trip on an extremely magical note by seeing the happily ever after fireworks from the plane on the way home, which was so magical. But thank you guys again for watching, and till next time.